How to use Napkin AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search napkin.ai. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top right corner of your screen, click on Sign In. After you click on Sign In, you will need to sign in with your Google account. After all the sign-in process is done, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, select by generating text using AI. If you already have something to paste, click on pasting by content. Now in here, simply type your prompt. I'm simply selecting brand proposal for plant care company and press on continue in here. After you press on continue in here, it will write for you. As you can see, brand proposal here, everything is included: brand vision, target audience, visual identity, marketing strategy, and everything. But if you want to visualize, click on generate visualize or generate visual on the left side, which will generate visuals for you. You will also find different styles to choose from. And if you want to edit in here, you can simply double click on the area you want to edit. You can remove that and type in what you want to type. And this is how to use Napkin AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.